Hey there, happy day 1060 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my journey as I transition from the offline brick and mortar world to the online world of business. And I'm calling this one today Skip Christmas? Question mark. Because last year I actually missed Christmas. I didn't intentionally plan to skip Christmas, did all the stuff that I normally do leading up to Christmas, and then got really, really sick right, probably a day or two before Christmas Eve. Was down, totally down and out on Christmas Day, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. My daughter and son-in-law went to Florida for Christmas. My granddaughter and my son, everybody stayed away from me because I was sick as a dog. And my sister brought me a plate, rang the bell, and left it on the front porch. And I took all my energy just to go out and get the amazing food that she had prepared for me. And then I haven't told her, but I never got around to eating it because I was that sick. I was sick all through New Year's and a couple weeks really down and out. I know now that it was probably the COVID, like they call it, because I had all the symptoms of COVID. And I was really sick, but I didn't know that there was such a thing. So I thought it was just the flu and I was just going to tough it out, which I did. Finally went to the doctor. They didn't even check me for the flu. And they just basically said, oh, it's a virus. Don't worry. You'll be better. And by the time I went to the doctor, I was long past the worst of it. Just the cough, the terrible cough remained. So this year, I don't want to miss Christmas. I'm not going to skip Christmas. I am going to do some creative things with my content. I make videos every single day. So tonight I'm having a sleepover with my granddaughter, and I was sitting here quickly putting together my videos for tomorrow. So what I'm going to do today quickly after I finish this video is do my fun challenge video, my supersize your business video, which is the meaning of an idiom, and my get up and go challenge video. I'm going to record those ahead, and I probably won't post them until tomorrow because I don't even know when I'm going to get today's done. We're doing Christmas cookies and things with my granddaughter and my great niece and nephew today. So we're going to have a big cookie party, and that's going to probably put a dent in everything. And then I'm having a sleepover with the amazing Etta, and I think that will make my normal routine for creating videos and creating content a little skewed, and I'm absolutely positively okay with that. I don't have a problem showing up consistently, at least I don't think I do, but every once in a while, even I need a day off or need to change the way that I do things and change my schedule. So I am going to actually literally, here's my secret, I'm going to go change my sweater. I'm going to go put on a different Christmas sweater so that I'm doing Christmas Eve's videos in a different outfit, right? In a different outfit. I used to, when I did a big gap of creating content where I did like 125, I think I did about 150 videos, short videos over about a 2-week period. And what I did is I was pajama grandma back then. So I would do one and then I would just change my robe, and I had a whole like 27 robes lined up, and I just worked my way right through them, and I just change a robe, go, change a robe, go, change a robe, go. I think it probably took me longer to do some of the wardrobe changes and robe changes than it actually took me to do the videos, because it was short topics about chronic pain and basically just life lessons and things. So that is what my plan is for today and for the holidays. I wish you an amazing day. I am probably going to, fair warning, skip this particular segment tomorrow unless I get to it tomorrow night after our Santa visit and things with my granddaughter. Otherwise, I might skip it all together and wait until Christmas morning. I will pop in and let you know what's going on Christmas morning, especially if I skip tomorrow, just because I like to stay in the habit of being consistent and showing up every day. And whether people watch it or not isn't the point. The point is I make commitments to myself, and I want to keep those commitments to myself. So go out, make it an amazing day. If I can help you in any way, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm probably pretty busy over the next 2 or 3 days, but otherwise you can ask the question, and if I happen to check, I would be glad to answer any question that you might have. Have an amazing day, amazing holiday season, and I will be with you soon. Take care. Bye.